Wipro Limited is an Indian multinational corporation that specializes in information technology services and consulting. It was founded on December 29, 1945, by M. H. Hashim Premji as Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited, Wipro, in Amalner, Maharashtra, India. Initially, the company focused on producing vegetable and refined oils. In 1966, after the death of M. H. Hashim Premji, his son Azim Premji took over the company at the age of 21. Azim Premji transformed Wipro from a small cooking oil company into a diversified conglomerate. Under his leadership, Wipro ventured into various businesses, including consumer products, hydraulic cylinders, and computer hardware. In the 1980s, Wipro recognized the emerging potential of the IT industry and shifted its focus towards software development and IT services. It started offering software solutions and customized software development services to clients in India and internationally. Wipro began its journey as an IT services company by providing software development and system integration services. The company went public in 1981 and was listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Over the years, Wipro expanded its presence globally, establishing offices in the United States, Europe, Asia-Pacific, and the Middle East. It diversified its service offerings to include application development, maintenance and support, consulting, business process outsourcing, and infrastructure management services. Wipro made strategic acquisitions to strengthen its market position and expand its service portfolio. Notable acquisitions include the purchase of Spectramind, an Indian BPO company, in 2002, which helped Wipro establish a strong foothold in the BPO space. In 2007, Wipro acquired InfoCrossing, a US-based data center management company, enhancing its infrastructure services capabilities. In recent years, Wipro has focused on digital transformation, cloud computing, cybersecurity, analytics, and artificial intelligence. The company has developed expertise in emerging technologies and provides solutions to help businesses navigate the digital age. Wipro has undergone organizational restructuring and realignment of its business units to streamline operations and improve efficiency. It has also invested in research and development to stay at the forefront of technological advancements. Wipro's remarkable journey from a humble cooking oil company to a global IT powerhouse is a testament to the power of vision, innovation, and resilience. Guided by the leadership of Azim Premji and driven by a relentless pursuit of excellence, Wipro has evolved into a trailblazer in the digital age. Through strategic transformations, technological advancements, and a commitment to sustainability, Wipro has consistently pushed boundaries, embracing change and adapting to the evolving needs of its clients. With a steadfast focus on delivering value, the company continues to create meaningful impact, enabling businesses to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Wipro's success story serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs, businesses, and individuals alike. It underscores the importance of embracing innovation, nurturing talent, and embracing diversity to unlock new possibilities. Wipro's journey reminds us that with determination, forward thinking, and a passion for continuous improvement, extraordinary achievements are within reach. As Wipro continues to shape the future of technology and drive digital transformation, it stands as a beacon of inspiration, demonstrating that with a clear vision, unwavering commitment, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, any company can redefine itself, surpass expectations, and make a lasting impact on the world. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, Wipro serves as a shining example, reminding us that innovation knows no bounds and that the possibilities for growth and transformation are limited only by our imagination. Today, Wipro is one of the largest IT services companies in India and ranks among the global leaders in the IT industry. It serves clients across various sectors, including banking and financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, technology, and telecommunications. The company continues to evolve and adapt to the changing technology landscape, striving to provide innovative solutions and services to its clients worldwide.